Today, I will walk you through 5 common programming mistakes beginners make and how you can avoid them like a pro. Trust me, even experienced developers have been there. Stick around till the end, as this can literally save you hours of debugging in the future. The first very common mistake is not understanding the problem before writing code. Too often, beginners jump straight into the editor and start coding without fully understanding what the problem is asking for. This leads to messy code, incorrect logic, or solutions that don't even match the question. Always take 2 minutes to rephrase the problem in your own words and write out sample inputs and outputs. It works wonders. Next up, copy-pasting code from the internet without understanding how it works. We've all Googled error messages or looked up how to sort a list in Python. That's fine. But blindly copy-pasting code is like using a tool you've never read the manual for. It might work, but you don't know why. You won't learn, and when it breaks or needs editing, you'll be stuck. So, always patiently go for understanding things rather than copying it, as it won't solve the problem. Mistake number 3, being afraid to debug, or worse, thinking debugging is a waste of time. Many beginners panic when they see an error message. They delete everything or restart the entire file, but debugging isn't punishment, it's where real learning happens. You get a none-types error, instead of running away, try printing variables step by step to see where things go wrong. You'll learn how your code thinks, and that's a superpower. Start using print statements or simple debuggers early. The sooner you get comfortable with bugs, the faster you'll grow. Now, fourth very common mistake is writing messy, unstructured code. New programmers often write everything in one big block. No functions, no comments, no organization. That works for tiny scripts, but it becomes impossible to manage as your code grows. Break your logic into functions. Use meaningful names. Add comments to explain why you did something, not just what you did, as this will help you in the long run. Now, finally, the silent killer of progress. Giving up too early? Programming can be frustrating. You'll face errors, syntax issues, logic bugs, and it can feel like you're not getting anywhere. Every great coder started as a confused beginner. The difference? They kept going. They broke the problem into smaller chunks, took breaks, asked for help, and kept learning. If you're stuck for more than 30 minutes, pause, search the error, ask a community, or explain the problem out loud. Clarity will come. So if you're making these mistakes, that's okay. Now you know how to avoid them. If this helped you, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner-friendly programming tips. And comment below which mistake hit you the hardest.